Time to feed these hungry Steam Deck fans. You and your deals, you and your games, and you and your updates. Yeah, you. Yeah. You know, got a nice little update for you guys. You know, you guys are getting an update all the time, you know. And this is where that 2 terabytes of storage comes into play. On the Steam Deck. Because you need it, you know, for all your Protons, your Chi-Kai 4 deck if you're doing remote play between the PlayStation 4 and the Steam Deck, PlayStation 5 and the Steam Deck. You know, you need it for your wine. You need it for the Creo utility. You need that Creo utility. Yeah. That 2 terabytes storage, and plus you need it for Steam OS with all the updates, you know, and all those random updates that just show up out of nowhere. Oh yeah, that 2 terabytes of storage for the Steam Deck is really important, man. Yeah. So if you want a Steam Deck, please get that installed because you're gonna need it. Anyway, hello viewers. Another beautiful day. Yup. Hope your 5 senses work, health and strength is good. Or excellent. What? Alright. Okay, you Steam Deck fans, what I got for you? Oh, speaking of Proton. Let's see here. Proton 9.0 through 2 brings better controller support in launchers, more playable games, lots of bug fixes. Says Valve just released the latest stable update to Proton, the compatibility layer for running Windows games on Linux desktop and Steam Deck. With Proton 9.0 through 2 brings some fun additions. This will just show up in your Steam download as an update to Proton 9 if you have it installed. Otherwise, just search for Proton in the Steam library, not the store, to install it. Okay, all right. Yeah, so that 2 terabytes of storage for the Steam Deck, you know, that's for all your system updates and all your Proton, because you need it. Because those updates, they're big. They're not small. They're big, and they fix a lot. Okay, here's what's changed. Here's the main changes. Previously playable only with Proton Experimental, Alpha League, Battlezone Gold Edition in VR mode, Black Desert Online, Freestyle Football R, Helldiver 2, Hero Lands, Aragon, SimCity 3000 Unlimited, Warlord Battlecry 3. Enable controller support for via Exilia in the launcher of Cluster Truck, Fallout 3, Standard Game of the Year Edition, partially supported only, Fallout 4, Mugster, Elder Scrolls 5 Skyrim, and Elder Scrolls 5 Skyrim Special Edition, Tomb Raider Anniversary Edition and Legendary Edition. Limited numbers, of course, seen by the following games make them playable on a high core count: Call of Juarez Gunslinger, Command and Conquer, and the Covert Operation. And now the big bug fixes and other improvements. Fix Ghost of Tsushima, Horizon Forbidden West, displaying a warning sign without outdated driver with NVIDIA GPUs. Fix the final crashing on launcher after a recent game update. Fix the final wrongly detecting button mashing. Fix the final not working on machines supporting AVX5 112 without clear CPU ID equals 3 or 4 in the kernel command line. Fix Apex Legends not starting after a recent game update. Fix Tekken 8 reporting wrong connection type if both Wi-Fi and Ethernet are present. Fix Ubisoft Launcher not starting games with a fresh Proton prefix. Fix Halo Infinite crashing randomly during initializing data. Fix Beat Saber not being playable on NVIDIA GPU without using the legacy branch. Fix Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite crashing when creating multiplayer lobbies. Fix hosting multiplayer games in the Foundry. Fix rendering of Japanese characters in the launcher of Grenado Espada Japan. Fix Nightingale not being able to authenticate Steam on desktop. Fix Bloom's Monkey City thinking it's offline with IPv6 support disabled. Fix Ubisoft launcher asking for a serial number on the first launch of Tom Clancy Ghost Recon Future Soldier. Fix Descent 3 not working in OpenGL mode. Fix shattering line freezing on loading screens when trying to join a second online match in session. Fix Call of Jerez Bound in Blood failing to launch on a fresh prefix and failing on NVIDIA GPUs. Fix audio stutters in the Viking Battle of Ashgard. Fix Russian language rendering in Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons launcher. Fix scaling in the Desolate Hope when playing on desktop. Improve controller input support for Tower Princess. Improve performance. We love Katamari reroll plus Royal Reverie. Fix Gris showing error windows when exiting the game. Fix issues with transparency in ACA-R. Fix load/slave dialog not working in Idle Spiral on Steam Deck. Add raw HID support for VKB Gunfighter SCG. Fix random crash in Cosmotier Starship Architecture and Commander. Fix font rendering in Cosmotier Starship Architecture and Commander on Steam Deck. Improve Chinese font rendering in Cosmotier Starship Architect and Commander. Fix Russian and Hebrew fonts rendering in Simon the Sorcerer 25th Anniversary Edition. Improve fonts rendering in Alien Swarm Reactive Drop on Steam Deck. Fix Cities Skyline not being playable on Intel GPUs. Improve compatibility with Open Composite. Update support for OpenXR to version 1.1.36. Update OpenVR support to version 2.2.3. Open VKD 3D Proton to version 2.12-58. And then to GF6D 39052 AFB1. Update DXVK to version 2.3.1-64. G88 980 288 7FA5. Update DXVK Navipy to version 0.7.0-7-GAAE 4902B6 FF7. Update Wine Mono to version 9.1.0. Taken from the official page. It says, how do you feel about Proton update? Has it improved some games you were wanting to play? Yeah. So Proton just got up. Valve just released the latest Proton update, so that should help for now until Proton 9.0.3. I mean 9.0 through 3 comes around. So that should improve. That should help out you Steam Deck fans. That's been playing on the Steam Deck since it came out. If you got an issue or a complaint with Valve, I mean with the Steam Deck, send it into Valve, you know, and let them know what the issue is. One issue they need to work on is this, when it comes to the Steam Deck, is when they should have the Steam Deck recognize the recognize a SSD, like a 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte SSD, and the Steam Deck's supposed to format it for you, or you install the SSD in the Steam Deck, and then take your Steam Deck to a computer and then connect it through the USB-C port, and then let the computer format the SSD, format your Steam Deck while it's connected to the computer from Valve website. That would be nice, you know. So yeah, and that would help out a lot of people that are using the Steam Deck and that are having a storage problem. So Valve needs to take care of that. But other than that, man, they're on it. So this Proton update should help you out right now when it comes to gaming on the Steam Deck or a Linux desktop. And there's more updates to come, you know, because they have the Steam OS. You know, you got Proton, Hotfix, Experimental, VKD 3D, Proton GE, and GE Proton. You know, so yeah, need all those Protons to run on the Steam Deck and Linux. And you need Wine, and you need your Creo utility, and you need whatever apps that you need, you know, for Linux and the Steam Deck. So all that is supposed to be on the internal SSD, you know, because you know there's always updates coming in, and then you want to put your games on an SD card. See, my Steam Deck is around here. Yeah. All your games will go on the SD card here, but like for like all the updates like Steam OS, Arch Linux, all your Protons, your Chai 4 deck, your Creo utility, all the apps that you need, they will go on the internal SSD, because that's what it's really for. That's what it's really for. You might put like one or two games on it, but the rest of that space, leave that for like system updates, because system updates are always coming in on this. They come in. So yeah, but Valve need to create an update for the Steam Deck where, you know, I mean, you install the 2 terabyte SSD on the Steam Deck. You take a USB-C cable and connect it to your computer, and then go to Valve website, and then you should be able to download. You should be able to format your SSD from Valve website that way, and then once that is done, then you can collect all your updates and all your updates that you need, and then go on from there. I think that's what they should do with this. I mean, with the Steam Deck. But other than that, man, you guys are good. News, deals, games, update, the usual. Yeah. So that should help you. That should help you out for the weekend. For now, until Proton.0 through 3 comes around, you know. So yeah, I mean, today's what June the 12th, so you got plenty more days. You got July, August, September to deal with, you know. So yeah, updates are coming in, man. So yeah, but other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care of yourself. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still a Star Wars, Star Trek thing, or Dark Side. Peace.